Is SEO worth the money? Is it worth it to pay somebody to do search engine optimization for your small business? Let's get into that right now. So the answer is maybe yes, maybe no. The whole point of SEO is to generate a return on your investment. You want to eventually be making money off SEO. Now, SEO can take 6 to 12 months to see any real results. But if you're not getting a return on investment, then SEO is not worth the money. But there are a lot of factors that go into determining what makes SEO actually worth it. Not every business will benefit from SEO, and I'm going to explain some of the factors that go into whether or not it works. The number one thing we want to focus on is math. What does that mean? Do we need a pencil and paper and everything? No, because I created a handy dandy calculator that you can go use right now for free. I'm calling this the SEO Calculator to determine ROI for your business. Let's jump to my screen right now. Now, if you go to bigwestmarketing.com/SEO-calculator, I will put a link down in the description so you can go do this on your own. But I just want to show you real quick how this is set up. I just put 3 things that you need to enter to understand how much money you can possibly make when it comes to SEO. Now, I want to emphasize this is possibility. There's nothing set in stone when it comes to any kind of marketing, including search engine optimization. I don't care what any guarantee any salesperson gives you. This is the truth. This is what you need to focus on. Now, real quick, I'm using a third-party service to generate this calculator. So when you load the page, it may take 5 to 10 seconds for the calculator to actually show up. I apologize for that. I will try to get that fixed. But if you have a little patience, this specific calculator will show up on this page when it starts to load. Like I said, sorry about that. Okay, so here we are, and the average dollar per job. This is how much you make per job, or if you're selling products, how much you make per product. And it's just a simple little slider here. So we work with a lot of carpet cleaning and pressure washer companies where the average job can be $200 to maybe $250. So let's do that. Let's just start with an example of $249 per job. It doesn't need to be exact. Now, let's say from your SEO, you're going to get 5 jobs a month, 8 jobs a month. Let's just start with 10. That's an easy number. Could be less, could be more. And then your SEO investment. How much are you going to pay your SEO professional or your SEO agency? How much are you going to pay them to do this work for you? So I just put several numbers in here that could be realistic when it comes to this type of service. So I go anywhere from $300 to $700. So let's just use $400. A lot of the clients we work with end up paying $400 a month. That's kind of a standard amount for the types of businesses that we work with. So I'll use that as an example. So if you're making $250 a job and you're getting an average of 10 jobs per month and you're paying us $400 or whoever you're working with $400, you can expect to make $2,090 a month on average. Not bad. But let's say that you have a higher end service. Let's say you're doing water damage or your HVAC or maybe an electrical contractor and you're getting upwards of, $800 to $1,000. So here's $800. Now that jumps up to $7,600. Let's say you make $1,200 per job. That jumps up to over $11,000 per month. Now, let's say that you're in a bigger city and you're getting more jobs than 10 every month. And we have clients, this can be very realistic. We have clients that are getting upwards of 20, 30 jobs per month, specifically off their SEO, off their website ranking on Google. So let's just bump that up to 15 to kind of see what happens here. So if you're making $1,200 per job, you're getting 15 jobs a month. Now we're upwards of $17,000 per month. Now, the reason I set this calculator up is so you can go put your own stuff in there. Let's take an example that would not be worth it. Let's say that you're only making $100 per job. Let's say that you're only getting 5 jobs per month. Now all of a sudden that goes down to $135 profit. Let's say you're paying $500. You can see how this becomes it's not worth it to pay somebody $500 a month to hopefully make $32 a month within 6 months, within a year, however long it takes for your website to actually rank on Google. So you see there are instances where this is not worth it, where SEO is not worth it. So for example, if you're in a super competitive area and you are just getting started or you have a bad checkered history with Google, then these numbers are going to change greatly. Like, you may not get any jobs per month if Google absolutely dislikes your business, or if you're coming into a highly saturated, highly competitive area like Los Angeles, New York, Las Vegas, if you're just getting started and everybody has been established for 10 years, like legitimate established businesses, it's gonna be very hard for you to get any jobs at all. So there are many times when we actually tell our clients or tell potential clients that we don't think SEO is worth it. We think your money, at least initially, should be spent on other marketing activities or putting your energy into other marketing activities. They can't believe it when we tell them, when we won't take their money. But that's just how it is. That's how we want to operate. That's how we want to present ourselves when it comes to SEO. It comes back to us in the long run if we tell people the truth. And you can use this calculator right here to get an idea, or you can jump on a call with us and get an idea if SEO is actually going to be worth it. Are you going to actually make money when it comes to SEO? So I highly recommend you jump on this calculator. I'll put the link below. It's bigwestmarketing.com/SEO-calculator. And I want you guys to play with this. And if you don't understand it, or if you're wondering how many jobs can I actually get per month, then down here you can apply for a free consultation. Watch this short video, go down here, book a call, and we'll help you out. This is absolutely free. It's a strategy call that you can use to determine if SEO or if a new website that has SEO components is worth it for you. Once again, my name is Joe Burnich with bigwestmarketing.com, and I'll see you in the next video.